Hello there. So it's a D today, and I really struggled with finding a D in the kitchen for my beauty, face, skin, hair today. And so I called up a friend, Poonam, who runs an awesome Ayurvedic spa called Aveda in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. I love that place. So she told me D for dates, and here it is. Apparently dates are an amazing face pack. So I had some seedless dates at home, and I was told to mix some milk, some rose water, and a wee bit of turmeric, small bit of turmeric, grind it into a paste. Put this on my face. Wow, it feels so good. Amazing. OMG. Thank you, Poonam. Thank you for the D for dates with rose water, pinch of turmeric, and milk. Beautiful pack for the face. Try it. Nutzaboutme. Lockdown Diaries, episode 4. Have fun, guys. Stay at home, stay well, and do all these wonderful things to keep yourself nice and healthy and looking beautiful, or even more beautiful.